Hey there, fellow crafters and DIY enthusiasts. Today's video is all about giving new life to plastic waste. We understand how hard it is to resist the temptation of throwing away those empty plastic bottles, containers, or wrappers. But before you do, consider watching this video because we will show you easy and fun DIY projects that will transform these items into useful and stylish things for your home. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Project 1. Plastic bottle planter. Let's kick off our list with a simple yet effective project that breathes new life into plastic bottles. What you need to get started are plastic bottles, scissors, a ruler, permanent markers, paints, paintbrushes, and drainage net or mesh. To begin, wash and dry the plastic bottles thoroughly. Next, use the ruler and marker to measure and mark where you want to cut the bottle. Make sure to make markings on both sides so the cut is even. Once done, use the scissors to cut along the marked line, creating a cylindrical shape for your planter. Now let's add some color. You can either paint the entire surface or get creative with different colors and patterns. Allow the paint to dry completely before proceeding to the next step. Poke several small holes in the bottom of the planter using a nail or a small drill bit. These holes will ensure proper drainage for your plants. Now you can fill the planter with soil and plant your favorite flowers, herbs, or succulents. It's a great way to add a pop of color and functionality to any room. Project 2. Woven plastic basket. Here's another fantastic project that utilizes plastic packaging or wrappers. To make a woven plastic basket, you will need plastic shopping bags or candy wrappers, scissors, a glue gun, and a small box or round basket as a mold. Begin by cutting the plastic bags or wrappers into thin strips. The width of the strips will depend on your preference and the size of your mold. For a small box, strips of approximately 0.5 to 1 inch in width work well. Next, start weaving the plastic strips around the mold, securing the ends with hot glue. You can create a woven pattern similar to traditional basketry or simply wrap the strips around the mold tightly. Continue until you have covered the entire surface of the mold and achieved the desired thickness for your basket. For added durability, you can reinforce the edges with hot glue. Finally, remove the basket from the mold and let it cool completely. Voila! A quick and easy DIY project with a functional outcome. Your newly crafted basket is perfect for organizing your desk, bathroom, or any other area that needs a touch of creativity. Project 3. Charging station from shampoo bottle. Now let's move on to a practical and space-saving project that transforms an empty shampoo bottle into a charging station for your phone. This project requires a plastic shampoo or conditioner bottle, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, a glue gun, and some decorative materials like paint, wallpaper, or gift wrap. First, wash and dry the shampoo bottle thoroughly. Use a ruler and pencil to measure and mark the desired cutting line on the bottle. Ensure that the line is level and straight for a better result. Use the scissors to cut along the marked line, creating a rectangular base for your charging station. Next, smooth the edges of the cut using sandpaper to prevent any injuries. Now let's personalize the charging station. You can decorate it with paint, wallpaper, gift wrap, or any other creative materials. Allow the glue to dry completely, and now you have a unique charging station for your phone. Hang it near an outlet and enjoy the convenience and style it brings to your space. Project 4. Plastic cap mosaic art. Plastic bottle caps are often overlooked, but they can be transformed into beautiful mosaic pieces. Here's how to create captivating mosaic art using plastic caps. Start by collecting plastic caps in various colors and sizes from different sources. Clean the caps thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. Next, decide on a design or pattern for your mosaic art. You can create your own design or find inspiration online. Once you have a design in mind, start arranging the caps according to your pattern. You may need to cut some caps into smaller pieces to fit specific areas. Use a utility knife or scissors to cut the caps carefully. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, secure the caps to a board using hot glue. Apply a generous amount of hot glue to the back of each cap and press it firmly onto the board. Allow the glue to dry completely before moving on to the next step. If desired, you can enhance the look of your mosaic art by adding grout. Apply the grout between the caps, let it dry, and wipe off any excess. And that's it. You have created a stunning piece of plastic bottle cap mosaic art. Project 5. Soap dish from bottle base. Did you know that the base of a plastic bottle can be repurposed as a soap dish? It's true. Let me show you how. Take the base of a large plastic bottle, such as a shampoo or detergent bottle, and use scissors to trim it to the desired size. Make sure to cut evenly to create a smooth and stable soap dish. Next, use sandpaper to smooth the edges and corners of the cut base. This will prevent any scratches or injuries when handling the soap dish. Now let's add a personal touch to your soap dish. You can decorate it with paint, markers, stickers, or any other creative materials. Allow the decoration to dry and your soap dish is ready to use. Simply place a bar of soap inside and enjoy the convenience and style it brings to your bathroom. Project 6. Candle holders from jar bottles. Create a cozy ambience in your home by turning plastic jars into elegant candle holders. This project requires plastic jars with lids, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, and a hot glue gun. Wash and dry the plastic jars thoroughly. Use a ruler and pencil to measure and mark the desired height for cutting the jar. Make sure the markings are even and consistent for both jars. Cut the jars using scissors, creating uniform candle holders. Remove any sharp edges using sandpaper, and now let's personalize your candle holders. You can decorate them with paint, glitter, lace, or any other embellishments that suit your style. Allow the decorations to dry, and now let's assemble the candle holders. Place a tea light candle inside each jar and enjoy the warm glow they create. Project 7. Recycled pencil case. Give new life to plastic bags by creating a one-of-a-kind pencil case. This project requires plastic shopping bags, an iron, baking paper or parchment paper, scissors, a ruler, and a sewing machine or needle and thread. To begin, lay a plastic bag flat on a surface and cut it into a rectangle. Repeat the process until you have several rectangular pieces of plastic. Now layer the plastic pieces on top of each other, making sure they are aligned. Place a sheet of baking paper or parchment paper over the layered plastic and iron over it on a low setting. Do not press too hard or the plastic will melt. Once cooled, remove the baking paper and trim any excess plastic. Fold the long edges of the plastic towards the center, creating a tube-like shape. Securely attach the ends of the plastic together using a sewing machine or needle and thread. Continue sewing along the edges to create a durable and colorful pencil pouch. And there you have it, a recycled pencil case made from plastic bags. It's a practical and eco-friendly way to reduce waste and reuse plastic. Project 8. Juice pouch wallet. Plastic juice pouches may seem insignificant, but they can be transformed into a funky and waterproof wallet or card holder. To make a juice pouch wallet, you will need plastic juice pouches, a sewing machine or needle and thread, scissors, and a zipper. Start by washing and drying the juice pouches thoroughly. Lay a flat pouch on a surface and cut it into a rectangle, removing any unnecessary sections. Repeat the process with additional pouches, ensuring that you have enough material for your desired wallet size. Once you have the required amount of plastic, lay the pieces on top of each other and stitch along the edges using a sewing machine or needle and thread. Leave a small opening for inserting cards or coins. Turn the wallet right side out, and now you have a unique and playful wallet made from plastic juice pouches. And there you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed these fun and easy DIY projects that breathe new life into plastic waste. Remember, every small step counts in reducing waste and protecting the environment. So keep on crafting, keep on innovating, and keep on reducing, reusing, and recycling. Until next time, happy crafting.